Let's place a spotlight on HDFC Bank and Federal Bank, both of the banking names that came out there with their quarterly updates and were in focus today. But let's go across to my colleague Gaurav, who's joining in for more details on those banks.
Well, yes, HDFC Bank is definitely in focus, and the reason being that company has come up with a shareholding pattern where we saw FII holding has come down to 54.83%. Now, why this is important is that MSCI, as per MSCI, HDFC Bank holds around 3.8% weights in MSCI India Index, and as per MSCI's rules, for rebalancing for any of the stock, the MSCI, the FII holding has to be below 55.5%. Now, there was a case for the same thing for HDFC Bank in the month of May also, where we saw this target was missed almost by 5 basis point only. But given that the shareholding pattern has come down to 54.83%, now there is a strong case that we may see some rebalancing happening in HDFC Bank, and the weights for HDFC Bank could double from here on. And if we look at brokerages also, they believe that the weights can actually bring in around 3 to 4.5 billion worth of passive inflow in HDFC Bank share price. Even if you look at the share price and even if you look at the valuation, HDFC Bank currently trades below 5-year average. And the two important dates for HDFC Bank from here on would be August 13, where MSCI will come up with the official announcement about the reject, and July 20th, when HDFC Bank will come up with their Q1 updates and Q1 results. Apart from that, Federal Bank is also buzzing, and this is on the back of the Q1 updates that they have given. They have actually come up with a strong updates for Q1 FY25. If we talk about deposits, that has increased almost by 20%. When we look at advances, that has also gone up almost by 20%. And within the advances, if we look at retail loans, that has increased faster than the overall loan book at 25% on a YY basis. When we look at CASA ratio also, that has remained flat on a YY basis and also on a QOQ basis. And on back of this news, we saw the stock is also buzzing. So definitely watching out on both of these counters, because there is a strong news flow coming up in both these counters.
Thanks very much, Gaurav, for highlighting the reason, the updates with the Federal Bank and the HDFC Bank, the FI holding, which was the reason that the stock ran today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.